Hello viewers, welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today I am with this package. This white color package was sent by Dhawal Gala of Malad, Mumbai, India. This was received by me on 29th of August 2020. Let's unbox this and see the currencies coming out of this package. This was a nicely packed package received by me. Come on, let's unbox this package. The first one is a 1 Rupiah of Indonesia, issued by Republik Indonesia, issued in the year 1961. On the obverse is the rice harvesting. The second one is an odd denominated currency of 1968, denominated as 2.5 Rupiah of Indonesia, with the portrait of a General Sudirman, who was a high-ranking Indonesian military officer during the Indonesian National Revolution, and on the reverse is a woman. The third one is again an odd denominated currency of Indonesia, issued in the year 1958, denominated as 2.5 Rupiah of Indonesia, with a portrait of a man, and on the reverse is the coat of arms of Indonesia. That's all about this unboxing video of this Indonesian Ruphias. Thank you for watching.
To know more about these coins and currencies, please visit our website at www.onearcher.com. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please mention the next interesting video that you want to see in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.